Okay, okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, just focus here. So, do I need to show Jenkins installation process one more time so that I can delete this and I'll show? Yes, sir. Okay, let me. So, you haven't installed till now? Huh? Then how you completed the project yesterday? Okay, so let me delete a server. Okay. So let me create a server. So to create a server, minimum 2 CPUs, 2 GB RAM required. Guys, I will be available lab till 1 p.m. today. Any challenges, please take my help. Utilize my services. ఓకే తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే వాడుకోండా సో 1 p.m. సో ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్ టేక్ హెల్ప్ ప్లీజ్. So we have one of my student yesterday called me and said, we have a one opening in Chennai. Okay. So the requirements are AWS Cloud, Terraform, CI/CD only. Anyone can able to handle here. 4 years experience. So ping me later. 4 years experience is required. So ping me. Uh, no hybrid, not remote job. Saurav, your experience is 10 years, right? Why? Hmm? You're super senior. Then not possible. First of all, even if you're okay, also I will not encourage you. Having a 10 years experience, why you can join for 4 years? You are earning more in Australia, right? Then, but still, how Australia pays every day they will pay. Per day they will pay. Daily basis. Okay. In UK, weekly basis. Huh? Which one is best? Daily or weekly or monthly? Or yearly? Daily, huh? Daily. Hourly, yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. Correct. He will get hourly, sorry, not daily. Okay. What happened? You also need hourly, huh? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, leave it, leave it. It is diverting in a different way. Anyone from UK? Online? Anyone from UK? Archana. So Black Friday sale started, right? Don't know. Upgrade. Yeah. Yearly once only, right? Black Friday sales. Very good offers. 80%, 90% discount, you'll get it. Yeah. So we two projects are there, e-commerce projects we are supporting. So present e-commerce websites, Black Friday is going on. All are running on Kubernetes. You know the pods count 1500 pods running. 1500 pods means each pod one application. So if Kubernetes is not there, na, you have to create 1500 servers, EC2 servers. Again, standby one more 1500. And how many load balancers? If application is different, 1500 load balancers. If you not configure path base, auto scaling groups, 1500. So everything will be increased, right? Costing and complexity and all. But we are running 8 nodes only, 8 EC2 servers only for 1500 bots. Understand? That's what the microservices power. We can run till still more than 8000 bots. We have space. Understand? What is the port number of Jenkins? 8080. Let's take this. Or you can start here systemctl. Okay, you can check status also here. So you can check the status here. It's active. Okay. Yeah. So you can take the password by using cat command. Initial password. This is. Take this password. Copy here. Paste it here. Mobextama. Mobextem is not DevOps tool. It's just a platform to connect EC2 instance only. Okay. Okay, till here clear, right? So now let's go to settings. manage Jenkins gear icon. You can click on it. You can see here plugins. You can install pipeline stage view plugin. Yeah, no, I'll show that one also. Okay. And now, so after installing, you no need to restart. So let's go to settings here and plugins. So we can take Blue Ocean also. Different, different feel. So yeah, here you can take, okay, Web Blue Ocean. So let's take this. What about this one? Plugin set. I don't think so. This is enough. Let's take this too. We'll see. Yeah, go back to top page. Okay, we can create a pipeline. So you can give a name of the pipeline. Okay. So guys, so today we can focus on triggers also. Let me explain first pipelines again. Yesterday I have given some tasks to you, right? Okay. So let's take a sample pipeline again. Hello world, something we are taking here. Yeah. For example, apply and save. Okay. See, open Blue Ocean option is available right after install the plugin. You can click on it. So this is a different dashboard for Blue Ocean. The good thing is here, the advantage. So started by user, you can see. You can click on here. So same like our traditional dashboard only. Here you can see. But the thing is, guys, in the Blue Ocean, for example, you have a 4 or 5 stages are there. In Jenkins, fourth stage error we got, for example. Again, you can run from first stage. But Blue Ocean we can run where the stage fail. For example, third stage is fail. We can start from third stage only. This is the first advantage. And also coming to the logs and all, here some clarity is there while running a pipeline. So we can see some, for example, if I click on it. Okay, this is simple hello world only. We can take different one also. You can click on the logout. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is again normal dashboard. Okay, so you can, if you go again, Blue Ocean here. Okay, so yeah, this is, you can go here. For example, if you disable, let's go to back. So you can enable also like this we can do. Okay, so just give the backspace here, automatically come to main page. Again, if you want to go open Blue Ocean, again come back to main one. Don't give logout, it will be exit from there. Okay, so we can see a number of stages. So go to configure here. So yesterday we discussed what? Terraform, right? So what the task I have given to you, how to run a specific directory inside. Did you complete? Yes. So you use dir, right? Yeah. So guys, we can use cd also. Let me explain the difference if you use the cd. For example, your end, a stage is there, stage inside a steps are there. Okay. So for example, here, if you can use your end already directory is there, for example, sh, if you can give cd, the directory name is, for example, day 2. Clear na? Now day to inside you want run Terraform init, right? Again, what you can do, sh, for example, next stage, if you give Terraform init now, for example, this is single stage. You can assume this is single stage. Oh, sorry, this is sh. So understand here, first terminal is what? First shell will take you into the day two. Clear na? You supposed to run Terraform init into day two inside. But what will happen next shell again? Terraform init, right? This shell will complete here. This is not still in day two inside. Understand? When this shell is complete, again it will back to normal back workspace. If you run Terraform init, again you will get an error. Day two inside configuration file is missing. Understand what I'm trying to say? So each shell work like each command work like a separate shell here. There is no communication this shell to this shell. This is executed and exited. Now if you run Terraform init, again it will take default namespace only, not day two. Understand? But it will work if you can take sh, single sh, cd, day two, Terraform init. Same shell inside you should write 2 commands. Then it will take. Understand? Okay, let's check now. Okay, so for example, let me, and one more thing, coming to the Git. So you may get a doubt, can I run Git clone by using sh? You can run, but the first problem is credentials are, if you, for example, if you want to download the GitHub repository into here, you have to expose your credentials into your pipeline inside only, right? But if you generate a script here, your credentials are not exposed. See, generate a pipeline script, for example, for what? Git. Yeah. So repository URL, my repository URL. If it is a private, how to take this? SSH key or token. Understand? HTTPS. So for example here, branch is main. So before, if you create any credentials in the global credentials for the Jenkins, you can select and you can take it. Okay, I'll show in the coming classes anyway. Now, if you generate a script now, the credentials are not exposed here. This is secure first. But git clone, if you run now, everything will be exposed into there only, which branch and everything, right? But you can take here directly, copy, and you can give it here, give it into directly here. Clear now? This is git clone. Next is what here? Stages, steps, control C. Next is what here? Terraform init. But understand here, Terraform 1030M inside many directories are there, right? So let me add Terraform init. So again, dir how to generate? Just you can write dir open 2 curly braces also, it will work. Just I'm showing you here. Just select here change directory. See, change directory. For example, my path is what? For example, I want to run day 2 where it is day 2 basic code, day 2 Terraform configuration file. I want to run this day 2 inside Terraform code. Copy this directory, generate pipeline script. Clear na? So dir, give the path, open close that curly braces, that's it only. Okay, but where I should add exactly this? So Terraform init, you can remove this. So this is Terraform init is a name, this is okay. So sh Terraform init, but this should be run inside the directory, right? In this case, where I can keep this steps inside directories. Some block means what now? Sh Terraform init. So this block should be closed after Terraform init, right or not? Clear na? So you can calculate total 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Clear na? Last two is for first two pipelines and stages. Okay, so let me run first Terraform init. It will work. Then we can apply save. So before that, we have to install here Terraform. Okay, install the Terraform. So you can install from the, you can directly go to, no need to go my repository every time. Terraform download. If you can go to official page also, you can see there your Terraform installation command also. Linux, not Ubuntu. Mine is Amazon Linux. Copy from here, go to instance and you can install. Okay. Very good. IAM role also required, right? Instead of script, can I use YAML? Yes, we can use GitLab CI/CD, GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps. Why this is asking? Okay, Git there or not? Yeah, Git also there. Now you can run pipeline. See guys, Terraform init, which is equal to, can I run Terraform init? Yes, this Terraform init tool I'm running through UI process. Understand? Through Jenkins. Configuration file. Let's check now one more time. Apply save and now build. Fail. IAM role not attached. So let's go to IAM. EC2. I'm giving administrator access. What happened? Excuse me. Yeah, role attached. So let's now build again. Okay. So what happened exactly here? Yeah, backend block is there now. So backend block is expecting this bucket. Let's create S3 bucket. Otherwise, delete the backend block also. Anything is fine. Your wish. Create a bucket. Give the bucket name. Okay, bucket is created. Let's now build now. And tell me guys, one difference we can see here. Yesterday Terraform init is running without any issue for the role. Terraform plan time only role issue we got, right? But now why Terraform init time we are getting issue? Because of backend block. Clear na? Yesterday there is no backend block, so request is no need to go for S3, right? That's what init successfully done. But coming to the backend block, request will go to S3 also to get the updated state file. So that's what the clear na difference is. Init is done. But tell me guys now, I'm inside of the server, right? So if I check Terraform dot Terraform file, Why? Refresh. Okay, where I can check my .terraform file? Varlib inside. So you can see here sudo su hyphen. Now here you can see cd var and double lib Jenkins and workspace. Go to pipeline. Here I can see already cloned, right? Git, Terraform clone all repositories into my default workspace. Now I should go to where? Day 2. I can see here .terraform ls hyphen le. .terraform created, right? 20th November today. Okay, let's run Terraform plan. Configure. Just take here. Again, guys, this day is already completed, right? You have to give again directory block. Understand? So 233 Control C, Control V and Terraform plan this time. And yeah, here Terraform plan. Clear now, guys? So you can add apply also. Control C, Control V, apply. So Terraform apply. If I give apply, definitely we have to approve, right or not? Let's run now, build now. First init, first git clone, init, plan, apply. Issue is there. Which line? Last. Okay, let's go and give. Okay. Okay. Apply and save. Stages are. Okay, let's verify. We can calculate now. Okay, this is fine. So this is fine. This two. Okay. No, correct. This three fine. Three fine. Three. No, this three fine. This three also fine. This three here is common, right? One. This three fine. Remove one. Okay. 1 2 3 1 2 3 last two. Apply fail. Only yes will be accept. So what we can do here? Okay. But guys, we have to give choice option. This is understand. If you give auto approve, how you can check a plan? Understand? We have to give each stage choice approve. Yes, yes, yes. I'll show now. Yes, I have a document complete day 1 to day 15. I think we prepared already. Word document. Day 1 Terraform what to do, day 2, including code and notes also. I'll share it, okay? Including through Jenkins also. Just whoever lags somewhere, you can go through the document. Okay, meanwhile, I'll share that. Okay, this is done. Terraform end-to-end document, guys. You can check this. Okay, yes, this is done first. Okay, later you can check the document. Always we are showing interest for the documents. Huh? First, please concentrate here. In our organization, we are using GitLab CI/CD, not Jenkins. So Jenkins is not whole. Jenkins also use. Okay. Okay, yes. So server, I mean, the second folder, whatever it is, everything is created. No need to go and check. Okay. If you want to check, just go to plan and check the plan. The resources, what resources is going to be great, instance and subnet. So three resources are added. Okay. So in this case, how to control this? How to control this? What we can do now, guys? Come to pipeline configurations. Here we can add uh, the project is parameterized, right? Click on it, add a parameter, choice. Pipeline level also we can manage. Here also we can manage. Both we can see. Choice parameters. I'm giving here name, action. I'm giving name is action. Choice is what? Apply, destroy. I'm giving two choice. So while runtime, it will ask build with parameters. Now directly build, it is not asking any parameter, right? When you run a build, it will show apply or destroy. You can click anything, whatever you want. Okay. Until on that, no, it will not process. Okay. For example, same we can give plan also. Understand? So save and apply. Now how to call this inside the pipeline? Go to configure. Here we can, in place of apply, yeah, we can add dollar action. Clear now? Like this. I think should be codes, huh? Okay, let's try. See, this time it is asking build with parameters, apply or destroy. If you want to destroy, already resource created, right? Let's create build, destroy. So plan also we can give same parameters. Terraform plan is there now. Action you can give approve or deny. Two conditions. Check the plan and approve. Check the apply for and whatever it is. Let me. Jenkins is little difficult compared to GitLab CI/CD, GitHub Actions and all. Jenkins only little difficult, but GitLab Actions and all very easy. GitHub Actions, GitLab CI/CD and all. Okay, this is done. So here you can give the name of the stage is apply and /destroy so that you can see. Okay. Clear na till here? Okay. So any questions so that we can start triggers. So this is how to control Terraform only. Jenkins with Terraform. Okay. Jenkins is not completed. What? Okay. How to configure? Huh? So this project is parameterized. You can click on it. You can select choice parameter in that and give a here any name. This name you can call in your pipeline. So choice is what either apply or destroy. So, and you can save and go to the pipeline. Here, that action I'm calling here. I'm calling this action either apply or destroy. This input parameter we are giving while runtime build with parameter. So here action is what? If you give apply na, in the pipeline inside apply will be updated. So it will run apply. If you give destroy, destroy will be updated inside the pipeline. You can control that your wish. Anything you can add in between choice parameters. This is I have given for apply, right? You can add in it also. Just command, you can add a action block. Either init or stop or something you can control. So I have shared the this one. You can check this. Downloads. So complete document, guys. For example, if you miss any classes, this is around 80 pages something. So day one from install to create internet gateway, NAT gateway, everything is there here, including code, custom instance creation process, S3 bucket versioning process, backend.tf state file conflicts with explanation also, import command, data source, provisioners, everything mostly covered, guys. Even including Jenkins also, Terraform with combination of Jenkins also. Jenkins installation process. After Jenkins install, let's log in a Jenkins, get started, login, Jenkins ready. Here you can see the pipelines, script, choice parameter also, plugins, choice parameter also, like this. So till here, till today class, everything is there. Clear now? So you can keep with you if anytime if you want to just recap, you can just go through this document. If drift is there here, it will auto approve. How to avoid? First check the plan, then plan success, then go for apply. Plan also we can add a conditions, choice conditions. Okay. So we have a one more pipeline. Let me discuss that one also. I will discuss many concepts are there, condition blocks and all. Wait, this is just basic pipelines we are discussing how to handle with Terraform. Okay. So we have to see many stages, more than 15 stages also we can add end-to-end projects. So at that time, we can add many conditions, how to call environmental variables and all. Many things are there. Just wait until that new item. And creating a one more pipeline here. Pipeline 2. Now this time scripted pipeline. Okay. So let's go to here. You can take here scripted pipeline now. So far we discussed declarative pipeline. This is scripted pipeline. So this is sample one. So you can understand this pipeline first. You can remove unnecessary thing here. So this is not required. I'm removing here. This is not required. I'm removing from here. So stage started, stage closed. This stage started, stage closed. That's it. And this is not required. Yeah. Here you can see scripted pipeline, the difference between scripted pipeline and a declarative pipeline. So declarative pipeline starts from pipeline. Understand? But scripted pipeline, okay, let me show you side by side. You can get some clarity here. This is declarative. You can see this difference. If you want to create a stages, Control C, Control V. Yeah. So these are three stages here. Control A, Control C. Let's go to so declarative. ఏం జరుగుతుంది బ్యాక్ అండ్ వాట్ డిస్కషన్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ మూవీసా here anyone taken training Java from Naresh IT or Python? I'm very good trainer. Okay, if you make any noise in Java, Python, what will happen? Ask anyone, they will send out immediately. If you use mobile, if you side like this, go out. So I'm very good trainer. Understand? Keep your mind. See, I'm not create any school environment, guys. We are professionals. Understand? If you get a call also, I can understand. Don't look like this. Don't look right side. Don't look fan side. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, you can carry on, no problem. We are professionals. He's thinking now. Sir పొగిడారా? I too don't know even. Okay, guys, you can see this is declarative pipeline, right? Let's go to scripted one also. Okay, so if I want to write here simple sh Terraform. Okay, let me write like this. So this 15 days too busy, guys. The Black Friday effect. Anytime, anything can happen. Okay, so you can see the difference here. Declarative pipeline start pipeline. Scripted pipeline start with node. This is first difference. Here we don't have stages blocks like a declarative, but here we have a stages. Here we have a stage only, individual block, stage, stage, stage. But here stages inside stage, stage inside steps. Clear na? So simple logic, you can take Control A, Control C, go to any notepad here. This is declarative, right? If you add node here and if you remove here stages blocks, okay, you can remove here also stages, stages, steps also, steps also, steps also. Okay, so here stage inside directly you can write your shell commands, whatever command you want to write, and close this. Okay, like this you can write only. Here also plan. So here also we can write same thing. So if you remove steps and stages block from the declarative is a scripted one, and change with pipeline as to node. That's it. Let me show you this process also. Here. So you can run here first. So directory block you can take from here. Okay, my pipeline. So this is directory block I'm taking. Oh, not cut. Control C. So let's go to here. You can add. So sh Terraform. Otherwise git clone also. Oh, first we have to give git clone, right? In this case, I can write a one more stage on top of it. Okay. So here I can add a git block. No need to write any steps and all. Directly we can go for git block. Clear na? Understand. Here is Terraform. So guys, we can write one stage inside also everything. For example, you can write like this. Terraform init, Terraform plan. Like this you can write also. Clear na? But the thing is, for example, one stage itself, it will show init plan apply. For example, if you create a multiple stages, if issue plan will fail, you can understand issues in the plan only. If apply fails, you can understand issues there in the apply only. We can easily debug the things. Understand? That's what the intention is here. Yeah, you can do anything. Terraform init. So you can remove this one and all. Okay, you can see now. One. So to open, to close. Oh, why this is not taking? Let's apply, we can see. Done. Okay. So like this, go to configure. So if I want to add one more, you can add here. Control C. Sorry. Pipeline only. So if you want to add here, you can add Control C. You can add something Terraform plan. Clear na? That's it. Let me show you here. Apply and say build now. So scripted one, even stage name same also it will allow. Declarative will give an error. Clear till here? Just Terraform point of view only. Okay. So after we can learn Maven, SonarQube, Docker, Kubernetes, and all we can add one by one. Okay. Now Saurav is eagerly waiting for Maven and all, right? So for that we can plan. Till here clear na? Okay. So guys, okay. Today we have a half an hour time. What we can do, we can discuss here triggers first today. Okay, one by one, we can discuss few concepts. Today triggers, next we can go for credentials, global credentials, and master and slave concepts. Many concepts are there. How to upgrade the Jenkins, one version to other version, even pipeline also there. How to upgrade the Java version. Many things we can discuss one by one. Okay. So today our focus, this is Jenkins concept now. Okay, pure Jenkins concept. Configure. So first here, this is important, guys. Discard old builds. Now you can see your pipeline. Many builds you can see, right? This information will be stored into where? EBS volume only, finally, right? But if server inside, many files are creating. We already discussed one concept in Linux time. What it is? Log rotation. That log rotation concept we can easily do by using Jenkins. Just enable it only. But this Jenkins is responsibility for the log rotation is only for the Jenkins workspace point of view, not enter Linux point of view. Clear na? Yeah. So configure. Now you can see guys, total how many runners I can see? 9 builds are there, right? For example, if I total 9 builds are there. For example, if I go to configure, discard old builds. So now you can give two conditions, log rotation for two conditions. Days to keep a builds. I mean last 2 days. If I give 2 days now, last 2 days builds only I can see. Or max of builds to keep. For example, if I give 2, I can see last 2 builds only, not about days and timestamp and all, right? So last 2 builds only you can keep remaining, you can delete. This is the meaning here. So that we can easily delete the old builds by selecting this option. Discard old builds. Recently we got one issue, this one also. Jenkins unable to run, disk got full. They haven't enabled this discard old builds, that option. We have enabled later. Like this, many issues will come anyway. Apply and save now. Okay, now you can see still I can see 9 builds, right? But this build can work only after apply a pipeline any one time. For example, apply or destroy you can give for example. After complete this build, log rotation also run along with this. This pipeline only have enabled for log rotation, not enter global level also we can enable, pipeline level also we can enable. Okay. Yeah. See now, I can see only last 2 builds only. Understand? So remaining bills are deleted automatically. Clear? This is one of the option in Jenkins providing discards old bills. Let's go to pipeline one now. So we have a triggers, guys. Let me discuss one by one all the triggers here. We have a total these many triggers. Okay. Build after other projects are built. The meaning is what here? 2 pipelines are there. 2 pipelines are there. One pipeline depends on other pipeline. After get first pipeline success only second pipeline will start. Clear? This kind of, for example, This is not a best use case. I'm saying now what I'm going to say. Terraform Minute is a separate pipeline. Plan is a separate pipeline. Apply is a separate pipeline. For example, after complete init only plan should run, right? So automatically first pipeline will run init, then it will call plan, then it will call apply. Just I'm saying an example only, okay? Where we can use this, for example, CI pipeline is different, CD pipeline is different. After complete CI pipeline only CD can trigger, kind of things, okay? So build after other project build. Okay, in this case, what I can do, this is my pipeline one. Okay, let's go to, I'm going to create a one extra pipeline here to show you what happened. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to create a one pipeline. The pipeline two also there anyway. So I'm just giving a test two pipeline name. Sorry, new item. What happened to Jenkins server? Why? Okay. So I'm going to create a one pipeline test. So give the pipeline here. So any pipeline, you just give here test also something here. For example, hello pipeline, apply, save. Okay. Now if you can go to test pipeline, is there any builds? No, I haven't run manually now. Okay. But this pipeline I can trigger from the pipeline one. So in this case, what I can do, test pipeline inside configuration, you have to add test pipeline inside only, you have to add build after other projects are built. So your dependency is there, right? Which dependency? Pipeline one dependency. So I'm saying after run pipeline one only test can run. I'm saying that so this is CD pipeline. After run CI only you can run. I'm saying here apply, save. Clear na? Now still my builds are what? 0. Let's go to pipeline one. You can build with parameters, apply or destroy anything. This will be generate one event in the background. That event is input for the pipeline 2, that is test. Okay. So now pipeline 1 is executed, right? See, test automatically executing now. Clear na? So build after other pipeline. So first I have given input for this pipeline 2 as a pipeline 1. So test pipeline input I have given for pipeline 1. So after pipeline 1 automatically execute, pipeline 2 also execute after complete the pipeline 1 only. So here we have a multiple conditions also. Configure. Yeah, here see, trigger only if build is stable, trigger even if build is unstable, even fail also, even aborted also, if you stop also. These 4 conditions also, it will run if you select. If any, for example, if I give fail also, no problem, you can run. But usually we can do for success only, right? How you can run if it is a fail? So stable only. Clear na? Next, build periodically. What it is, I think you know, right? Schedule base. Build periodically. Schedule we can give. So cron tab, you know, right already. So if I give like this, this is me. This is the meaning is what here? Every 1 minute. Clear or not? If I give here every 30 minutes. If I give here every day 10 hours 30 minutes. Clear or not? Like this we can change. If you need again, go to cron tab. So for example, this is every minute, right? If I give here every 30 minutes, if I give here 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 hours, 30 minutes, day, for example, 23. So 23rd, okay? Which month? Every month. So, but this is guys, here two, if you give every weekday also, right? This is actually two conditions are here, right? Every day, weekday I'm saying, plus I'm saying 23rd again. That's what cron tab, I don't know why this is allowing here. Actually, we have to give like this. The meaning of this, it will take only any one of the condition only. If you give this weekday parameter will skip here. This symbol is to skip this weekday. Now it will consider 23rd only. Understand? Clear na? Yeah. So like this we can give. Now test apply save. Now test pipeline will trigger every 1 minute once. You can see as per the expression. Clear na? I'll come. Hmm. Okay. You can refresh. You can see after 1 minute, third build also. So guys, this is UK timing. Okay. Uh, exactly 5.5 hours difference is there for UK and IST. Now UK time is 6 morning 6 UTC. So triggered, see, third also. Like this, it will trigger automatically as per the schedule base. If you not cancel this, it will continuously run every 1 minute. Clear na? Next, GitHub hook trigger. Git inside, if you do any changes, that automatically trigger here. Clear na? Let's try this. For example, here git clone is not there na? Okay, let's go to, and guys, GitHub hook trigger works repository level, not directory level. If, for example, if I enable GitHub hook trigger for 10:30 AM repository na, if the change is there any directory inside any file, even just if you remove dot also, automatically pipeline will trigger. Understand? This is called GitHub hook trigger. Okay. Let me show you here. Now, this is already, for example, okay. So go to any repository. For example, Terraform CI/CD I'm taking here, directly file is there. Why internet issue is there? Let me connect. Okay. So here, click on the settings. Webhooks option is there now. Click on webhooks. So here, edit. Use password. So this is what here, Jenkins payload URL. So Jenkins URL. Now this Terraform CI/CD repository inside, if you do any change, this will call this Jenkins URL. You may get a doubt. Jenkins inside many jobs are there, But here I'm not giving any job information, right? But which job it will call? In Jenkins pipelines, and which pipeline inside you are calling this source only. Clear, na? Clear what I'm trying to say? For example, let me take my Jenkins payload URL. This is the one. Okay. Clear, na? So my payload URL I have given, so update webhook here. Okay. Now tell me, send me everything. Okay. So updated webhook here. You can do like this for reference. I'm sending here. For example, now after update this into webhook here, if you do any changes, main.tf inside, for example, my tags are, I'm adding a one more D here. Okay. So what is webhook trigger? If you do inside any change in the repository, pipeline should trigger. So how this GitHub knows this is my Jenkins? That's what I have given Jenkins URL to this repository inside only I have given. My GitHub inside many repositories are there, but here if you do any changes, only Jenkins will run, not other repositories inside. Okay, this is clear now till here. Point number 2, I have done a changes, also committed also. So one commit ID also created, one event will be generated. This event will be call your Jenkins pipelines. Okay, let's go and check now. Any Jenkins pipeline triggered now? This is 11:41. Now time is 11:50. Go to other pipeline 2. So this is also 11:33, and this is also 11:51. This is okay. This is not at cancel, na? Every 1 minute is running. Sorry. Okay. Clear, na? So due to whatever the changes you made in the GitHub, because of that, no pipeline has triggered, right? But what I discuss here, guess if you do any change in the GitHub repository, if you give the Jenkins payload URL, if you do any changes, Jenkins will start to run a pipeline. But the second point you need to understand, my end 3 pipelines are there. These 3 pipelines inside, I'm not using that repository as a source. This is the important concept now. Clear, na? So for example, if I use a so for example, let's go to the configuration here. Pipeline. So here I'm using different repository, right? So if I change the repository, let's go to here. HTTPS. So you can, yeah, you can generate here script, or you can directly add there also. Git. So now my URL is this one. So branch is main and no credentials so far. This is public. Control C. Now go to here, your pipeline inside. You can change as a source where you have integrated webhook. Clear now? So let's apply save now. Anyway, here what we are discussing, pipeline trigger or not, that's it. It's success or not a story here, right? Okay. Otherwise, for your satisfaction, I'll remove. Okay, so here there is no director, right? So our aim is what? If this repository inside any changes will come, that repository will trigger your Jenkins where the source is located in the pipeline, right? Okay. For example, apply save. Let's run. Definitely it will get error right now. There is no any. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, this is done, right? Now This is 12th bill, right? So let's go to here. I'm adding again one more change. Dev prod. Commit the change. If everything is good, first you can go and check settings. Uh, Webhook. This should be success like this. Understand? Okay, let's go to now. Which pipeline? Refresh. Why this is not triggered? Hello. Yes. Okay. Let's wait for some time. This has to be triggered. Huh? What? Let's go to configure. Terraform CSD correct only. Let's go to here. Click on it. 107. Uh, hmm, enable. Just push event. Send me everything. Update webhook. Okay, let me do one more time. Any change? Maybe one success event need to be generated first. Let's see. This time, if it will not work, we will test like that. Close this. Hmm? Oh, I haven't enabled right this one. Okay, let's run first manually. 13th build right now. Let's go and do the change here parallelly. Okay, let it complete first. Let it. I'm just giving here dev. So which build is done now? Latest 13th, right? Commit the changes. Okay, let's go and check the payload URL. Webhook. This is success only. 8080 My neighbor. All is good, right? Configure. I have saved right before. Huh? After made the changes. Let me do one more time. I think one event should be success before. Let's try. Okay, let's try now first. Okay, guys. Let me remove this. Maybe one success event should be generated from the pipeline first. It should work. Terraform plan. Two, 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 three, four. So action auto approve. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's try now. Apply and say build with parameter. Okay, okay. Plugin is required. Okay, guys. GitHub integration plugin is required. Let's go to settings here. Plugin. Available plugin. GitHub integration plugin is required. This is missing. Three months, 8 days ago. Okay, this is recently made they enable. Okay. Anyway, GitHub trigger you can GitHub integration. Yeah, this one. Okay, let's try with this also. I couldn't find before. 3 months only it's released. We can see. Okay, go back to top page now. You can test. Yeah, total bills are what here? 14, huh? Okay. 14 are the total bills. So you can go for now here. This time change any. Yeah, do the change here. So commit changes now. Okay. Let's find now here. See, 15th is running automatically. Clear now? So GitHub integration plugin mandatory. Clear now? So guys, and last trigger. This is for all about PolSCM. PolSCM means this is combination of GitHub hook trigger plus schedule base. For example, if you enable this, your schedule is, for example, 20, right? Today's 21st is your schedule. Tomorrow, same time. So what happens in the PolSCM? If from today to tomorrow, if any changes are there in the GitHub only, PolSCM will work. Next schedule is what actually 21st, right? But next schedule, if changes are not there, na, it will exclude. But schedule base is what? Build periodical is what? If changes are there or not, it is continuously running, right? But poll SCM is what? As per the schedule, it, for example, if I give apply, save. Okay. So what is the meaning of this now? Every 1 minute it should run, right? Poll SCM. Okay. Other any triggers we have enabled? Okay. Only poll SCM trigger is enabled. So what is the meaning of this now? Every minute it should run. Clear now? But it will run if any changes are there in the code only. Next minute, next minute, next minute, next minute. It will not run like this as per the build periodically. But build periodically, it will not check if code changes are there or not. It will run by default. But poll SCM combination of GitHub hook SCM plus schedule base. So schedule is what? Next minute. But this minute any changes are there, it will check first. In the source code repository, any new commit is added or not. If no commit ID is there, it will ignore. Clear na? Poll SCM is refresh. See, you can see always 15 only. When the 16 will come, if you do any change next minute, whenever you do the change, it will not trigger. The change is there in the next schedule and it will run. For example, this pipeline one, my triggers are what here? Go to configure. I have given only the trigger is what? Poll SCM only. GitHub book is not there, right? Now, if you go to here, if you do any change, so this will not run immediately. Next minute slot, it will run. So now you can see 15, right? Wait for some time. I mean, just a seconds only. 16 will come, but again 17 not come. Why? Change are not there. But GitHub hook is what? It will not check with your timeline. Change will be there, immediately run. But periodical is, see 16 is running now. But periodical is what? Based on the schedule. All clear? So please practice triggers. I'll share the notes. Jenkins triggers, Jenkins introduction, and everything. So far, whatever we discuss, you can practice. This Saturday break required, huh? Why? Okay, take it, guys. If really did work hard, then take a break. Huh? Online day break required, huh? This Saturday. Oh, triple R, 2 hours, huh? Rohan Ram Sharan. Oh. For what? Practice, huh? Okay, okay. Parent teacher meeting is not Paytm. You don't know the problems for parent teacher meeting, right? Already faced recently. Principal, okay? She will ask question to parent only. This is the main problem. How you can handle your son? I look into my son. He's looking to my like this only. So in front of her only, he's saying that Dad, we can change school. In front of principal only. Huh? This is the problem. Oh, Diwali result will be declared. Schools are typical now. Okay, guys. Then see, 16 only always, right? So, okay, then great. Thanks. Okay. Next class will be tomorrow. Saturday break and Monday is class. Okay. So, guys, Jenkins not yet done. Okay. You don't think Jenkins completed. Jenkins is completed triggers and combination of Terraform only. So, what we can plan Monday onwards, we can start Maven. Okay. And all after Maven complete, SonarQube complete. Again, we can see with the Jenkins how to integrate Maven and Jenkins, SonarQube. After that, real movie will start. Docker Kubernetes. Okay. So I can say December onwards we can start Docker Kubernetes. Okay. It will take definitely Jan second week to complete Docker and Kubernetes. So very important. We have a class tomorrow. Docker when it will start. Already question is there. Saurav always stick on his project only. Huh? Okay. Hourly basis, right? They're paying. That's what. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.